Thursday. And I'm foam rolling on my quads. So far, been a great week. I worked a lot less in the salon. Ow. And created more content this week. So a lot of fun YouTubes coming up. And also today was Danielle's birthday. And tomorrow's my friend Mika's birthday. So as everyone's getting vaccinated and life's slowly starting to feel normal again. My particular friend we're gonna see tomorrow, I think we've seen twice, once in a car, like waving, and then once in the backyard, all of COVID. So Dino hasn't even seen his best friend, Mozart, which is her dog. I don't know that Rami's met him that much, but yeah. And then Saturday I have a baby shower, so just, it's nice to have the balance of knowing, like, you know, I used to just like work behind the chair like crazy up until the point I had to like do a bunch of stuff, and then you just feel like a mess. Like, can you see what I'm doing? Wiggling on those quads. I did a foam rolling video this week, so that's coming because I really believe it's the key. Feels so good. So yeah, I'm trying to gather myself for my day tomorrow. I'm going to downtown to take the necklaces from step 1 to step 2. And I usually get to sell them on the website by step 3. So we're moving into step 2. That's exciting. I should have texted him tonight, but that's okay. He's so flaky. But we have sports bras coming that say "Lady to the Titty" on them. That's probably about a month out. I'm excited about that. And we have all the Learn to Lose merch in pink because there's more girls. So why didn't we think of that sooner? Oh my gosh. I used to love pink when I was a kid. And then I had this aunt who would pinch my cheeks and she would always say, "Pink, pink, pink." And so then I hated it. Till like last year. And I remember being in like clothing and we were like learning what colors are good on your skin to wear. And pink was mine. And I was like, okay. Anyways. Ooh. Here comes bad in the middle of my ThuRANT.
What are you doing?
My ThuRANT and foam rolling. And taking a break from packing. I'm like almost done. I'm just gonna make my breakfast and prep my meal so that my morning goes smooth. What are you doing?
Watching Warrior.
You're obsessed with that show right now.
I'm liking it. The Chinese show. It's pretty good.
Okay. Oh, can you start the dryer? I don't think I pressed start. I put the towels in there, but I don't think I pressed start. Or check that maybe they're dry. You can't win them all. So yeah, I just need to gather.
Also a bunch of lint.
Yeah, because nobody empties it. And so I figured if I left the lint there, it would remind you to empty the lint. I don't know who is not emptying it, but...
I use that like once a month.
The washer?
And dryer.
Okay, so back to my ThuRANT. Because Thursday is over now. And it's Friday. But I haven't gone to sleep yet, so it counts. There we go. See, you have to have patience with it. Oh, somebody slammed the door. I stopped by Graceland today, and that was nice in the middle of a group to see them doing their thing. I'm really proud of him. He seems to be loving it. It's what he's meant to do, I think, for sure. What else? Starting to feel stronger. I ran at the beach for the first time Tuesday. It just felt like so good. I mean, I've run since I hurt my back, but I was going to my chiropractor after, so I figured he'll fix it if it hurts. But I'm learning more and fine-tuning and getting closer to a full recovery. It's a long path, and as long as I keep my ego out of my workouts, it won't happen again, you know? It won't happen again. You know, as long as I do this kind of stuff, foam rolling, my gallbladder is healing. I'm grateful for it because it keeps me eating clean. Yeah, I can imagine that if weight's not an issue and you don't have a sensitive stomach, how hard it would be to eat healthy. Because, like, why? If I could eat whatever the fuck I wanted, I would probably. And you're like, no, I know I shouldn't. But, yeah. So, I'm excited. Lots coming, lots going. I can't believe it's March already. I'm so excited. I love I don't love springing forward, but I do love when it gets dark later. Okay. So I'm excited that that's happening. I think this weekend or next. But I also wanted to point out that although I have a lot to do tonight to make sure tomorrow goes fluid, I couldn't stand anymore. I had to come take care of myself and self-care. Take care of myself and self-care. Look at me. I got my Hyper Crush sweats on, my Ridge shirt. I need a Learning to Lose hat. And then I'm fucking full cheerleader. Another kind of crazy thing. I had a good call with my old spiritual practitioner. Yeah, I think I told you that last week. So I'm trying to do everything more intention-based. So, like, right now my intention is to share my week with you guys and, you know, do something for my body that will help me perform and have longevity. You know, just like if I'm going into a client, my intention is to connect with this client, and make them feel good about themselves and do the best job I can on their hair, you know, just in everything. It's just helping, being present, and then acknowledging, being grateful for my food, blessing that, being present when I'm eating it, and also just digging deeper on some things that were hard for me in November, you know, like a falling out with a friend, and just kind of processing still. So it feels good to journal and do the work on that stuff, you know. Can you see my colored lashes? Made a video for that too. But yeah, so that's been good. And starting to feel more grounded again. Could be traveling. I don't know. You know what it is? I do know. I figured it out when I talked to my spiritual lady. She recommended I'm going to read her book. But it said I haven't been taking those mindful moments. Like, I don't know. I'm newer to being present and being meditative, and for some reason it's easier in the summer. I'm just needing to make the time to do it. And so by being in intention, acknowledgement, awareness, like, it's a form of meditation. And so, yeah, we're back on it. And I don't know if you guys came from TikTok, but you remember in the summer I was doing like a meditation challenge and I fell off. And so no wonder I don't feel centered. But what's cool is, like, before I had no awareness to it at all. And now that I did it, and how, you know, maybe someone who struggles with ADD, how much getting grounded just makes my life just easier, and flow, and eating well, everything goes into it. It's so crazy. Anyways, I feel like this was a good one. Thanks, guys.